Hi, my name is Lisa Portella, and I will be your instructor for Math 755, Probability and Statistics this semester. I'm excited about getting to know you a little bit virtually online through the Moodle course, and one of the first things that I am going to ask you to do is to introduce yourself to me and the other classmates by answering a few of these questions. So I'm going to start by answering them myself. First question, are you currently teaching? If so, where, what grades, how long, and so on. For me, yes, I am currently teaching. I am working for Fresno Unified School District, teaching at a high school called Design Science Middle College High School. It's an early college high school where students can currently take college and high school courses. They will graduate with either about 50 college credits, which is pretty awesome. My daughter is in the program and it's going to be saving us a lot in college units. And some students even graduate with an AA degree. Some other things that I teach some courses in the math department at Fresno City College and also for Fresno Pacific. I've also done some work with, I used to direct the San Joaquin Valley Mathematics Project, and through that had the opportunity to do some professional development with teachers around mathematics and manage some grants that supported teachers. So pretty exciting stuff. I've been teaching for about 20 years, and I use several curricula and several resources. Another question is, why did I decide to become a teacher? And what do I like most about teaching? Well, I absolutely fell in love with math when I was in high school and early college, and I felt like I was very effective helping other students learn to do mathematics because I was a slow learner myself, and I feel like I really connect. A third question, tell more things about you. Family. Well, I have a husband and 2 kids. My daughter Audrey is a junior this year at Design Science High School, and my son just started as a freshman in Edison. And my main hobby is distance bike riding with friends and keeping up with my kids, pretty much. So let's go on to talk about the syllabus. So here's what the syllabus looks like. I attached it to the email that I sent, and it should also be available in your Moodle introduction page at the top. My email, you can use the email that I sent, that initial email to you. My email should be changing soon. I just learned about the change in email over the summer, and so getting that figured out. So it's a 100% online course, and here's our starting and ending dates. There's a bit of the course description here. And our student learning objectives, we're going to be focusing on the progressions for data and statistics that are outlined by Common Core. There is no required text for you to purchase for this course. The materials that we will be using will be found through online links or accessed through Moodle. The basic structure of the course is that each week we will have another topic to work on, and usually a short reading, perhaps a learning activity or video, or some lessons to read. There may be a quiz or an assignment or forum or reflection to go with that content. Each unit should take probably no more than 5 hours for the average user, and at the end of the course you'll be assigned a final paper. So activities are basically something to do, something to read, and then 4 points for assignments each week, and 4 points for responding to a forum, posting in the forum and responding to other students. So each student needs to respond to 2 other students by the end of the week to get full credit on participating in the forum. So it's a total of 16 weeks and got a pretty basic grading structure. Each of the 14 weeks are worth 8 points, 4 points for the forum discussion, 4 points for the assignment, and then 24 points for the final paper. The rubrics are attached here for the assignments, for the forum, and for the final paper, the final project. You'll get more information as we get towards the end of the course. So deadlines, pretty much we begin on Monday each week and everything's due on Sunday. There's the honesty and professionalism notes that are pretty typical. And here is my best guess of our course calendar, an outline of what we will progress through as we work through this class. So I am looking forward to getting to know you, and with that I will say goodbye for now.